despite losing a month due to an injury. Molina was named to the National League team on Monday as replacement for Buster Posey San Francisco, who will not participate in the Summer Classic next week due to a right hip injury. Molina will be one of 3 receivers in the NL team, joining Willson Contreras Chicago and JT Realmuto Miami. This invitation to the All-Star Game unites Molina with Bob Gibson and Albert Pujols, each of whom won 9 national teams as Cardinals. Only Joe Medwick 10, Red Schoendienst 10, Enos Slaughter 10, Ken Boyer 11, Ozzie Smith 14 and Stan Musial 24 had more. Since his first All-Star selection in 2009, Molina has been off the National League list only once. At the age of 35, Molina is in the middle of his best offensive season since 2012, when he finished 4th in the National League Most Valuable Players vote. Your slugging percentage of .500 is the second best among the National League receivers, and is tied for the league lead among the receivers with 13 homers. Molina ranks 4th in his position in both the .279 batting average and 38 runs.